Have you ever felt that your body has a hidden weakness that no one talks about? A weakness you can't see, but you can feel in your lower back, your hips, your confidence, and even your private life. Today, I'm going to show you the 6 most powerful exercises that strengthen the one area people ignore the most, the pelvic muscles. And trust me, once these muscles get stronger, everything changes. Your posture, your balance, your energy, your performance, your confidence, everything. So let's start this journey together. And if you're serious about transforming your body, then stay till the end, because these 6 moves might become the most important exercises you do this year. Before we start, let me tell you something real. Most people think pelvic muscles are only important for women or for older adults. But the truth? Strong pelvic muscles are one of the foundations of total body strength. When these deep muscles are weak, you feel it in ways you don't even realize. You feel tired easily, your lower back hurts, your hips feel tight, your core feels unstable, you struggle with control during workouts, and even your sexual energy goes down. But when these muscles are strong, you feel younger, lighter, more powerful, and more confident. So today, I'm going to guide you through the top 6 exercises that rebuild strength from the inside out. Just imagine this. You start doing these 6 exercises every day for 2 weeks, and suddenly your posture is better, your hips feel stronger, your lower back pain decreases, and your stamina goes up. No machines, no equipment, just pure internal strength. Let's begin. Exercise 1, Kegel holds. This is the king of pelvic floor exercises. The movement is simple, but the results are powerful. Tighten the muscles you use to stop urination. Hold it for 5 to 10 seconds, then relax. Do this 10 to 15 times. Repeat 2 to 3 times a day. When you do this consistently, you're literally upgrading the engine of your core. It improves control, stability, endurance, and overall pelvic strength. You might not see the movement, but you will feel the results. Exercise 2, glute bridge now. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and push your hips toward the ceiling. Squeeze your glutes hard at the top. Hold for 2 seconds and lower slowly. This exercise works your glutes, hips, lower back, and pelvic floor all at once. It's a full power move. Every rep increases blood flow, strength, and support around your pelvis. Many people report that this single exercise reduces hip tightness, improves posture, and boosts lower body drive exercise. 3. Squat squats are not just leg exercises. They are pelvic stabilizers. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, lower yourself like you're sitting on a chair, and push back up while tightening your core. When you squat properly, your pelvic muscles fire automatically to stabilize your entire body. That's why athletes, fighters, and even older adults rely on this move. It boosts testosterone, strengthens the legs, and makes your pelvic foundation extremely solid. Exercise 4, plank. This one targets the core in a deep, powerful way. Get on your elbows and toes, keep your back straight, and hold. Focus on breathing slowly. Planks strengthen your deep abdominal muscles, which are directly connected to your pelvic floor. A strong core means a strong pelvis, and a strong pelvis means better strength, better movement, and better confidence. Exercise 5, hip thrust. Sit with your back against a bench or a surface. Place your feet under your knees and lift your hips upward. Squeeze at the top. This is one of the most effective glute and pelvic exercises ever. Every fitness coach recommends it because it delivers fast results in strength and stability. This movement improves hip power and pelvic control like nothing else. If you want a stronger lower body, this is your best friend. Exercise 6, dead bug. Lie on your back, raise your arms and legs up, and slowly lower opposite, arm and opposite leg. Move with control. This exercise forces your deep core and pelvic floor to stabilize your body. It teaches your muscles how to work together, improving balance and reducing lower back stress. It's great for beginners and also powerful for athletes. I want you to imagine yourself 30 days from today. Your hips moving smoother, your core feeling more stable, your body feeling lighter, and your confidence rising because you know you're building strength from the deepest layer of your body. It all starts with consistency. Even 5 minutes a day is enough to begin changing everything. Now, the choice is yours. You can skip this and continue feeling weak in places you can't see, or you can take control and rebuild your pelvic foundation with just 6 simple exercises. Remember, real strength doesn't start from your arms or your chest. Real strength starts from your core, your hips, your pelvis, your center. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe, drop a comment telling me which exercise you're starting with, and share this video so more people can improve their health. Your body will thank you for this, and I'll see you in the next video.